Did you have a really good weekend? You did? Well, I did too. But we gotta find out what day today is, don't we? First, we gotta find out what month it is. You might already know, but we'll sing our month of the year song to find out. Sing with me. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Did you get that? This month is October. We need to find out what day of the week it is. It is the red day of the week. Say them with me. Sunday, Monday. Yep, today's Monday. Right at the beginning. There we go. So today is Monday. Now we gotta find out what number it is. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today is the 5th day of the month. Today is Monday, October 5th, and it is fall. Did you notice that I had started painting a picture? Today, I was looking through my pictures and I saw this picture right there. And I really like rainbows, and I liked all the colors that were there as well. I wanted to paint a picture with a rainbow in it, but I don't know if I have enough colors. I have red, and I have yellow, and I have blue, and I have black and white. But I do remember that at one time we made lots of colors from only 3. We made a whole rainbow of colors. That was fun. Do you remember that? I thought that we could take these colors right here and we could make our own rainbow. First, I wanted to paint some trees and make it look like the fall. But I'm going to need some orange and some yellow. Do you remember what colors make orange? It is yellow and red. So I'm going to mix up my yellow and red and make some orange for the trees. And I'm going to mix them up. Look at that. It's turning orange. Can you see it? I think it needs a little bit of white to make that orange pop. See how you can mix your colors? But you always mix them on a palette or a plate or something like that so that you don't ruin your paints. Don't ruin your paints. That would be very sad. And then I'm going to take a little sponge, or you could, sometimes I use paper. You want to watch me paint? I'm going to make trees. Look at that. And you can see the yellows and oranges. Isn't that pretty? And I'm going to make trees. I love the fall. It's so colorful, isn't it? There. So now I've got some trees. Maybe I need a little more yellow. Now I got to make a rainbow. And the first color is red. So I'm going to take a little bit of red and I'm going to make a rainbow. Isn't that pretty? It's coming down through the sky and down to the colorful trees. The next color is orange. And we already know how to make orange. Do you remember? We take our red and we put it in with a little bit of yellow, and voila, you get orange. See the orange? There's orange. There. Now we're going to do yellow. Yellow we have, don't we? So we're going to do some yellow. Let's see. I like that yellow. It's bright and sunshiny. Now, you know what the next color is? It's going to be green. How do we make a green? Let's see. Is it yellow and red? No. We take the yellow and we add a little bit of blue. We're going to pull the blue over. And look at that. Look at that green color. Now we have green. And we can put green on our thing. So, let's see. Yellow and red make orange. And yellow and blue make green. And then the next color, you know what the next color is going to be? It's going to be blue. So we're going to take our blue. There we go. There's blue. See the blue? And sometimes it goes. Wow, it's more fun painting with somebody, isn't it? I'm having fun painting with you. These are just normal paints. Sometimes we have watercolors. Those are fun too. They come in little packs. And they have all the colors you need. I don't have one of those. So I have to make my own colors. Now to make purple, we're going to take the blue. Do you know what color you need with blue to make purple? Did you say red? Well, let's give it a try and see what happens. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's starting to turn color, isn't it? Look at that. It's starting to look purple. Look at that. Yeah. So we got purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Which is your favorite color? I like that color too. Yep. There we go. And now we have a picture of a rainbow coming down on really bright looking trees, and we got a sky. Do you know when rainbows get in the sky? When it's raining in one part of the sky and the other part has the sun. Thank you for helping me with my picture. There are many ways to do pictures, huh? With crayons or pencils or markers or paints. There's all kinds of things we can do art with. I would love to see your artwork. But right now, I gotta get going. But thank you for joining me today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!